blessings? Hmm?
It was very peaceful.
Very peaceful. What did you write about? Hmm? I will also tell what I write about.
Ma'am, today was the first day, so I started with family members and those who are my loved ones.
Hmm?
Then for tomorrow, I'll go much deeper.
Okay, okay, that's nice. And when you are saying family members, then you wrote about your mom, dad, your siblings, your grandparents. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And the first one was yours because you brought us close to this practice.
Oh, it has just started. Thank you very much. But it has just started. You just wait and see how amazing this book is. Okay. It's an amazing, amazing book. Hmm? Yeah. So very nice. And how did you feel after the end of it? You said you felt peaceful. You felt nice, good. Hmm? Yeah. And did you think after writing 10 that, अरे बस 10 ही लिखने हैं और भी हैं? Huh? I'm yet to thank about my friends, my books, my whatever you can think of. Your favorite clothes, your phone. Yes, you thought like that?
Yes, ma'am. It happened with me too. I wrote 10 blessings and then I was like, oh, it's done. Only 10 we had to write. There are so many things more that I had in mind. So I'll write them tomorrow.
Yes. Yeah.
And one more I wanted to share with you and everyone, that the first day that I wrote my dreams, I felt very, very happy. I felt like I was on the top of the world when I was writing my dreams, because you said to write that we have already achieved them. So I could visualize whatever I wanted. Most of them were long-term dreams. So I wrote about whatever I wanted and that I had. So I felt very, very elated and I was so happy, and I could visualize that I have all of those things. I have my loved ones with me, and I'm just very, very happy in my life and very content with it. So thank you so much.
Thank you. It has just started, and if you just by writing your dreams, you felt like this, means like you are on the right path. Yeah, it is amazing, amazing. So who else? Thank you, Anushri, for sharing this. Yeah, and continue writing your gratitude in this way. And today's practice that we are going to do with our magic rock, it is even more amazing. Okay, so since you already started your day with a, and how early was it when you wrote your blessings? As soon as you got up or after your breakfast and something, then you wrote?
After I freshened up first, and then I sat for writing my blessings, and after that I had my breakfast and classes.
Perfect. That is how you should do. Okay. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Thank you. So someone else who did it as Anushri mentioned, or did you do it later? अरे किया ही नहीं assignment, अभी याद आया, ऐसा कोई था? जब का blessings done तो बहुत दोपहर में आया था, उसमें अभी उठे ही लोग, कुछ लोग अभी तक सो रहे।
Ma'am, I did it as soon as I woke up. That time my father was saying good morning, and I told him that first I'll write this and then I'll talk to you.
Cool. This is wonderful. But no, if you're writing about your dad, you can at least wish him. Yeah. Yes. So first you have to wish, then you have to, write down your blessing, because I'm sure you wrote about your father also in the blessing, right, Vivan? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you should wish him and then get back to the blessings writing. Okay. Very good. Then how did you feel? Since I feel you are in a little bit of
told that we have to write a religious belief on the first page. So I just wrote my Jain mantra, Namokar mantra, and I wrote Lord Mahavira on my first page.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful, very nice. Yes, very good. Yeah. So who else wants to share? Thank you, Viraj. Who else wrote the blessings? How did you feel? Did you think about your siblings or friends, or just the family members, or about your laptop, your phone, your special toy, your favorite shoe? It can be anything, some hobby that you're into.
My 5 to 10 pages were on my brother Vivan and my sister Nandini. They are present here.
Okay, I see Vivan and Nandini.
She's just joining. There's some network problem.
Okay, no problem. Wonderful. If all of you are doing, it is going to be amazing. If more people in the family do, it's like, if you like to play a game, yes, you need a partner to play it with. Right? You can't play a game alone, like except on the phone, but you don't want to play on the phone all the time. So suppose you want to play some double, is that everyone, someone plays here? Double, no? Or whatever the games that
I do.
I've played it.
yeah. So these kind of games, you need a partner to play with. Now, suppose you want to play it and there is no one to play, then what fun is there? So if there is someone else also in the family who is in the practice of gratitude and writing blessings, then you know, you can always correct each other, you know, gel more about it, and it brings better results. हाँ, अब दो जन को टाइगर श्रॉफ अच्छा लगता है तो दोनों जन उसकी मूवी देखना चाहेंगे, है ना? अगर एक जन को नहीं अच्छा लगता है, एक जन को अच्छा लगता है, तो कैसे संग में बैठ के मूवी देखेंगे, कैसे वो फैमिली टाइम आएगा? So it's very good if, you know, more people in the family do it. Okay, so I'm very happy, and you know, others also, if your sisters, brothers or siblings, someone in the house who has not yet started, ask them to start. Okay, if not my session, there are sessions always, you know, happening. Someone else also takes, many people take. So if you feel that nahi abhi to aaj second day hi hua hai, if you want someone to join, they can join till tomorrow, but not much later. After that, other people are also starting. I'll share the link in the group. If you want, you can share it with them. Okay, so very nice. So I see Harsh and Rashi also sitting together, so I know they also wrote their blessings and they have found their magic rock. Yeah. And Tanvi, I'm sure your sister is also here, so both of you have the magic rock, wrote your blessings. So someone else has to share, how did you feel after writing the blessings?
Mati, can I share?
Yes, please.
So I began with writing, thanking one thing from each category that was mentioned in the book.
Yeah.
So one natural resource that I was blessed with, one person, not just one person, but a couple of people like my parents and my grandparents, my siblings, and then two non-living things. Like that's just the way I categorized it. So I thanked my books and I thanked my gas cylinder for allowing me to have good food. And then I thanked the air, the sun, and the water. Like I do thank the water quite often. And after writing that, I felt really good, and the day was smooth enough. Like there was no stress or the loopholes that are usually there. That was clear. So I felt good.
Okay, wonderful, very nice, very nice. And you know, you can write about, you know, your comb, yeah, your specs if you're wearing them, your hands free, or like, you know, headsets that you use, anything. It's like, you know, in the coming chapters we'll get to see there's so many things that we don't think about and we are using them, and we have to thank God for them. Yeah, so that will come a little later. And now whoever is here, everyone has found their rock, because we have to make it magic rock. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Khushi.
Ma'am, I was just asking that every day do we have to thank new things? We can't thank the same thing always. Like,
See, a couple of things can be same, like we discussed yesterday, that if you feel, it is all about feelings. If you feel that, no, my parents are so important to me that I am really blessed to have them, then you can write about them every day. Book says, yeah, the book says that we have to write new things every day. Okay, but it is not necessary. No? If you feel, but it should not be that, you know, 1 to 10 all are same every day. It should not be like कि school में हम लोग को जैसे मिल जाता था ना punishment, write 50 times, write 20 times. ऐसी वाली feeling नहीं आनी है, right? So it can't be that you just have 10 things and you can't think of any more things. You know, if you just, you guys know now there are 206 bones in our body, and each bone is very important. Yeah. So even if you want to just thank your body for functioning so well, you can just write 206, means like 20 days just about your bones. You might say मेरे को तो सबका नाम ही नहीं पता, but still, like, their bones, their organs, yeah, skin, senses, like whatever, so many things just in our body. So it should not be that you're writing the same 10 things every day. Yeah, if you keep thinking, see, the idea is to start looking at different things that you have in your life to be grateful for. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. So anyone else has a similar query or wants to share? If not, then we'll start the reading. Mahima has opted for reading today. So she just wrote to me. So any other sharing or any question about writing your blessings? Sabne वैसे ही लिखा था ना? Thank you, God. And you wrote your blessings. And after you wrote the 10 blessings, you read each one and said, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? ऐसे करके हर blessing के बाद 3 बार thank you बोलना है. Okay, you can say it out loud or you can say it in your mind, whichever way you feel is giving you more feeling, you can do that. Okay. Yeah. So let me just any other query? सबको रॉक मिल गया ना अपना? आज से हम उसमें अपना मैजिक डालना शुरू करने वाले. Okay. अच्छा, one more thing that I wanted to start with. अच्छा, everyone knows now which book we are doing. Yeah, everyone knows the name, right? Yeah, The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. Huh? Yes. So one more thing that I wanted to say. Achha, how many of us know? Achha, if we do something silly, is that okay? Something little fun, yeah. So what if we say,
Everything for me is okay.
everything cool, wonderful. I like this group. Yeah, thank you. So those who are feeling a little shy also, let's do it. I have also never done it. Just got to know that this is a very nice thing that some kids do. One of my participant in another session told that it's very nice. She does it with young kids in a Montessori. Okay, and I really like the idea. So we can start with this, and you have to tell me because I don't know this nursery rhyme too much. Okay, so we'll do this. 1, 2, 3, start. 10 little fingers. Everyone has to do. Okay, you have to shake your fingers like this. Huh? Everyone. Huh? So 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. Okay, so we will do this every day. See, the idea is that we have to shake our body a little bit. ना दिन भर बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, हाँ, और अभी भी Zoom session में बैठ के ही कर रहे हैं. So when we,
Ma'am, I am thinking that I am in a nursery class.
I am also thinking I have never done it, but see,
It's like a warm up before a sports class, like we
Yes.
do for.
Yeah, very nice, Viraj. So when we do like this, the blood flow increases. See, just saying the poem is very cute. Everyone, was smiling when singing it. But when you're actually doing the action, then the blood flow starts. Yeah, like Viraj is saying, like a warm up. So we'll do this. It just took 2-3 seconds, but everyone has to do. Okay, so we will do this every day. Okay, so let's start. So anyone new over here, or you all know I'm Priya Dubey? Yes, and I can read everyone's name. So next, whoever is going to ask a question, please introduce yourself. Okay, for the others who, ऐसे तो सबका नाम पढ़ने आ रहा है, but still, you love your name, right? Such nice names I see over here, and you love your name. You don't want to be called bacha, kid, guddu, goody. No one likes that, but I have a very cute nickname. My mom and my relatives gave it to me. If not on a recording, I'll share with you, and then I want everyone else all to tell me their nicknames. Okay, so let's start. Maima, you're ready. I'll just start the screen sharing. Just one second, let me open the Hindi version also. Yeah.
In the book, it's written that this is the course of day 2.
Yes, it is a course of day 2. Just one second. Yeah. So here we see. First, we'll discuss the picture. Of course, this is the bed over here in the corner. Everyone can see the picture, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So this is a bed over here. There are some books, and there's a table lamp. There's an alarm clock, and there's this big magic rock over here. And there is magic dust coming out of it, or are we putting magic in it? We don't know. We will find it. Yeah. So this magic rock is quite big, and this bed and this bedside table and the lamp is a little quaint, but it is okay. ये पहले का picture का सब कुछ इन्होंने थोड़ा सा classic पहले का picture से जैसे क्या है classic type का. Yeah. So we will start the reading from here. Yes. Yes, Mahima, please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 page is 2 pages. This is okay, no? Everyone can see and read? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please start.
Ma'am, nothing is visible. The picture is visible.
No, you have to say day 2, the magic rock. Yeah?
Yeah. Day 2, the magic rock.
Yes. Yeah.
Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. Charles Dickens, 1812 to 1870, writer.
Yeah. So today, when you were writing your blessings, you were thinking, like Anushri was sharing, and I'm sure many others felt also, that only 10 we have to write. There are so many that I want to write. And what Charles Dickens is telling us. Everyone knows who Charles Dickens is? Those who are very young, they also would be knowing. David Copperfield, you must have read in school or no? Okay. He's a very famous writer, and he has written many good books. David Copperfield is one of, and the other one is just slipped my mind. I will mention it. Yeah. So he is telling us that if we reflect on our present blessings, it's like आज आपके पास क्या क्या है अच्छी चीजें, हाँ? Whether it's your specs which are giving you clearer vision, okay? Whether it's the chair that you're sitting on, whether it's the good food that you had today, the cold drink or the shake or whatever you drank today, your parents to love you, your grandparents, your clothes, your books, everything. He's telling us that if we think about those instead of the misfortunes माने क्या हो गया, जैसे कल मेरी सिस्टर से लड़ाई हुई, या कल चोट लग गई, एग्जाम आ गए, यू कैन से कि वो भी एक मिसफॉर्च्यून है, यू फील कि नहीं क्यों आ गए एग्जाम्स, बहुत गर्मी है, आप खेलने जा रहे हो और आप लाइक एनीथिंग व्हिच यू फील इज नॉट अप टू योर लाइकिंग, वो जो भी है वो बहुत कम है इन कंपैरिजन टू द गुड थिंग्स दैट वी हैव इन आवर लाइफ। अगर आप पिछले 7 दिन भी सोचोगे, 7 दिन छोड़िए, अगर हम लोग 2 दिन की भी बात करेंगे तो उसमें ऐसी तो बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं होंगी ना जो आपको अच्छी नहीं लग रही होंगी, है ना। सो चार्ल्स डिकेंस इज टेलिंग अस कि हमको वो चीजों के बारे में नहीं सोचना चाहिए जो बहुत कम होती है लाइफ में, है ना। एक फ्रेंड से पिछले महीने लड़ाई हुई थी, ठीक है, बट बाकी सारे दिन तो उससे बहुत अच्छे से बात हुई थी। मेरे कजन से एक दिन लड़ाई हुई थी, या चलो 2 दिन भी लड़ाई कर ली होगी हम लोगों ने कोई गेम में या टॉय में, बट बाकी दिन सारे दिन तो उससे बात होती है, खेलते हैं हम लोग सब में। तो अगर हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे तो जो दिन होते हैं जिसमें अपन अपसेट होते हैं या थोड़े से दुखी हैं या कि कोई गुस्सा आया है, वो सारी चीजें कम होती हैं एज कंपेयर टू द गुड थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ। सो इफ वी स्टार्ट फोकसिंग,
Is it like don't think about the negative past, think about the positive present and future?
Yes. So whenever Viraj, I've seen whenever you are thinking, you are talking, you are quite often mentioning the negative things. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have to shift our thoughts and our words from speaking negative to speaking positive. माने नेगेटिव बोलना भी नहीं है, सोचना भी नहीं है, ठीक है। जब हम कुछ भी बोल भी रहे हैं तो हम लोग पॉजिटिव ही बात बोलें। ये हम लोग बोलेंगे ना कि नहीं सब कुछ एकदम ठीक है, सब कुछ अच्छा है। जैसे अपन हॉलिडे पे भी जाते हैं, हम लोग सब लोग कभी ना अभी तो वेकेशन में जाते हैं, अभी 1 साल से मे भी नहीं गए होंगे, उसमें भी शायद गोवा चले गए होंगे आई गेस। तो अगर हम लोग जब वेकेशन में भी जाते हैं तो हमको क्या याद रहता है? अच्छी अच्छी बातें याद रहती हैं कि हाँ हमने इतने दिन पेस्ट्री खाई, चॉकलेट्स खाए, हाँ इतना बीच में मस्ती किया, इतने देर तक सोए, बाथटब में खूब बबल्स बनाए, ऑल दैट वी रिमेम्बर दोज थिंग्स रादर देन रिमेम्बरिंग कि फ्लाइट कितनी लंबी थी, हाँ कि भूख लगी हुई थी बहुत जोर से। तो वी शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द गुड थिंग्स ओनली एंड नॉट द थिंग्स विच आर नॉट टू आवर लाइकिंग, ठीक है। सो यस महिमा, प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
In the beginning of working with these practices, it takes concentrated days in a row to make gratitude a habit. Anything that reminds you to be grateful is helping you turn your life into gold with gratitude. And that's exactly what this magical practice is about.
Yeah. So Mahima, when you start, just be a little slower. Okay. Yeah. So what? अच्छा, जब हम लोगों ने ABCD सीखी थी बचपन में या टेबल्स लर्न करने शुरू किए थे, तो क्या हम लोगों ने एक बार पढ़ी थी हम लोग को लर्न हो गई थी? नहीं हुई थी ना। हाँ, ABCD तो कितना हम लोगों ने लिखा था, एक एक इस लाइन भी स्ट्रेट बनाने में, दोज हु हैव यंगर सिबलिंग्स उनको तो फिर भी दिख भी रहा होगा कि A भी नहीं बना पा रहा है ठीक से, B बनाने में कितना टाइम लग रहा है, सिंपल एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन भी हम लोग को कितना टाइम लगा था सीखने में। हाँ, तो एक दिन में अपन ने नहीं सीखा था। तो रॉन्डा बर्न हमको यही कह रही हैं कि इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ वर्किंग विद दीज प्रैक्टिसेस, व्हिच प्रैक्टिसेस, कि आप ब्लेसिंग्स लिख रहे हो, कि आप फोर्सफुली थैंक यू बोल रहे हो सबको, ये वाली जो प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, हाँ, ये एक दिन में नहीं होंगी। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड डेज इन अ रो, मतलब आपको लगातार एक के बाद एक। हमारी बुक कितने दिन की है? 28 डेज की है। तो अगर अपन ये चीजें 28 डेज तक कंटिन्यू करेंगे, हाँ, तब जाके ग्रैटिट्यूड हमारी हैबिट बनेगी। ग्रैटिट्यूड मतलब हम लोग अंदर से फीलिंग से ग्रेटफुल होना सीखेंगे और ये हमारी हैबिट बन जाएगी, ठीक है। अब जैसे अगर आप डांस में क्लास में भी कोई ज्वाइन किया है, या आपने पेंटिंग क्लास ज्वाइन की है, ड्राइंग है, टेनिस है, क्रिकेट है, एनीथिंग, वो एक बार सीखने से नहीं आता है। आ जाता है क्या? नहीं ना, कितना प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है। हाँ, अगर आपको अपने हेयर भी सेट करने, ठीक है, अपने हिसाब से सब लोग करते हैं, राइट, तो उसको भी सेट करने में अरे एक बार में 3-4 बार में जाके वो सेट होते हैं, राइट? अनलेस अगर मम्मा प्लेट भी बना रही, ब्रेड्स भी बना रही हैं आपके, या आप खुद भी बना रहे हो, उसमें भी टाइम लगता है. सो एवरीथिंग टेक्स सम टाइम टू मेक इट अ हैबिट. ओके, सो ये बुक हम लोग को इसीलिए 28 डेज तक के लिए है कि हम लोग को रोज करना है. हाँ, और तब जाके ये हमारी प्रैक्टिस होगी. एंड एनीथिंग दैट रिमाइंड्स यू टू बी ग्रेटफुल इज हेल्पिंग यू टर्न योर लाइफ इनटू गोल्ड. माने अगर हम जिसको देखेंगे, अगर हम उसके बारे में ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हैं, तो हमारी लाइफ गोल्डन कैसे बनेगी? जो आपने ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाई है ना, वो हमको मिल जाएगी. ठीक है?
Practicing something daily will make it a habit.
Yes, practicing something daily will make it a habit. Thank you, Viraj. And अगर अपन ग्रेटफुल होने का प्रैक्टिस बनाते हैं, तब क्या होएगा? जो हम चाहते हैं वो हमको मिलने लगेगा. ठीक है? It will turn our life into gold with gratitude. माने अगर हम हर चीज में थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं, किसी भी चीज को देख के उसके लिए सोच रहे हैं कि वाओ, आई एम सो लकी टू हैव दिस इन माय लाइफ, तब हमारी लाइफ अच्छी होने लगेगी. और आज की जो प्रैक्टिस है मैजिक रॉक, वो इसी बारे में है कि हाउ डू वी बिकम ग्रेटफुल. Yes.
Lee Brower presented the gratitude rock practice in the secret film and book. When he told us the story of the father of a dying child who used a gratitude rock to be grateful for his son's health, and his son made a miraculous recovery. Since then, the gratitude rock has been a proven success with many people the world over, who has used it for money, healing, and happiness.
या तो आपने सीक्रेट मूवी में देखा होगा ना कि वो ली ब्रावर गेट खोल रहा होता था, तो उसके पॉकेट से एक स्टोन गिरता है, उसका फ्रेंड पूछता है ये क्या है, तो वो बताता है कि नहीं, ये ग्रैटिट्यूड रॉक है. फिर जब वो उसका फ्रेंड वापस चला जाता है, आई थिंक इट वाज साउथ अफ्रीका, वो वहां से उसको मेल करता है कि नहीं, मेरे को एक ग्रैटिट्यूड रॉक दे दो. तो वो क्या है, उसका कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जब आप उसको छुओगे या देखोगे, यू रिमेम्बर, डू यू गाइस स्टिल प्ले जॉली? एक हाथ में हम लोग एक तो गोली बनाते थे. नो वन प्लेज इट नाउ. या I think girls ज़्यादा खेलते हैं. Yeah,
We used to play it when in the physical school.
Yes, in the physical school ना. तो उसको देख के क्या होता था, उसको देख के याद आ जाता था कुछ, है ना? हाँ. And we used to put reminders. So this magic rock practice is kind of like that. That whenever you are thinking, whenever you are seeing this rock, when you are touching that rock, you are thinking of, you are supposed to be thinking of something which you are grateful for. Okay? So ठीक है, वैसे ही है कि हमको क्या करना है, हमारे रॉक को देख के उसको और मैजिकल बनाना है. कैसे उसमें हम लोग मैजिक पावर डालेंगे? उसको ग्रैटिट्यूड से भरना है हमको, कि उसको हम, लेट्स रीड क्या हमको रॉन्डा बन बता रही है. ठीक है? या प्लीज कंटिन्यू महिमा.
First, find a rock or a stone. Choose a small size that fits in the palm of your hand and that you can close your fingers around. Choose a rock that is smooth, without sharp edges, not too weighty, and that feels really good in your hand when you hold it.
Yeah, so all of us have found this rock which fits in our palm. It is smooth, it is not too weighty. हाँ, कि हम उसको हाथ में पकड़ेंगे और मेरे को भारी लग रहा है, उनको नहीं रख देते, बस एक बार के लिए पकड़ना है. नो, ऐसा नहीं. उसको हमको हाथ में पकड़ के कुछ करना है. That we will read, but it has to be smooth, nice, and वो आपके हाथ में अंदर आ जाना चाहिए. जैसे maybe like this kind of a rock, कि आपने उसको अपने मुट्ठी में बंद कर लिया. Okay? Yes.
You can find a magic rock from your garden if you have one, or from a riverbed, creek, ocean, or park. If you don't have easy access to any of these places, then ask your neighbors, family, or friends. You may even have a precious rock or stone already that you can use as your magic rock.
Yeah, so we have found this rock. So let's continue.
When you have found your magic rock, put it by your bedside in a place where you will.
Sorry, कहाँ चला गया? हाँ, sorry. When you
definitely see it when you go to bed. Clear some space if necessary so that you can easily see your magic rock when you go to bed. If you use an alarm clock, put it next to your alarm clock.
Yes.
Tonight, just before you get into bed to go to sleep, pick up your magic rock, hold it in the palm of one hand and close your fingers around it.
सो हमको क्या करना है, ये जो हमारा मैजिक रॉक आज हमको मिला है, उसको हमारे को बेड साइड टेबल पे रखना है. ठीक है? अगर आपका बेड साइड टेबल पे रखते हो, आप वहां रख लो. आपका हेडबोर्ड के ऊपर में लेज में जगह है, आप वहां रख सकते हो. बट इसको ड्रॉर के अंदर या कोई शेल्फ के अंदर नहीं रखना है. क्यों नहीं रखना है? क्योंकि कितने बार ऐसा होता होगा ना, अभी भी क्या पढ़ते पढ़ते सो जाते होगे, ऐसा होता है? या गेम खेलते खेलते, मूवी देखते देखते सो जाते होगे, ऐसा होता है? या तो
movies, but mom does not let me sleep while studying.
ओके, या वेरी गुड. तो इसीलिए अब वो नहीं करना है हम लोग को हैबिट. हमको क्या करना है, ऐसे जगह ये रॉक रखना है कि सोने के पहले ही हमको दिखाई दे. ठीक है, अगर आप फोन है आपके पास, आप फोन को जहां रखते होगे तो इट शुड बी देयर ऑन द टेबल एवरी डे. इट शुड नॉट बी कि मैं अभी ड्रॉर में रख देता हूँ, रात में निकाल के उसके ऊपर रख लूंगा. नहीं, यू कैन हैव अ स्मॉल बास्केट, यू नो, और अ स्मॉल बोल, जो क्यूट सा बोल या जो छोटी सी ट्रे वेर योर वाटर जग और योर वाटर ग्लास इज केप्ट, उसी में आपका रखा रहे डेली. हाँ, वेर यू कीप योर स्पेक्स एट नाइट, उस वाले जगह पे आप रख दो. लाइक दैट इज व्हाट आई डू. मेरा वहीं पे शेल्फ पे रखा रहता है, एंड व्हेन आई कीप माय स्पेक्स आई जस्ट पिक अप द स्टोन. और फोन रखने के बाद आपको हाथ में स्टोन लेना है. ठीक है, स्टोन ले लिया आपने, और आपको उसके बाद क्या करना है, जस्ट सोने के पहले आपको टॉयलेट जाना है, टॉयलेट हुआ है, ब्लैंकेट भी ओढ़ लिया, या फैन ऑफ, लाइट ऑफ, जो भी अगर आप खुद करते हो, तो ये सब करने के बाद यू टेक द स्टोन इन योर हैंड जस्ट बिफोर गोइंग ऑफ टू स्लीप. कि आपको पापा मम्मी को गुड नाइट करना है, सिस्टर से भी, ब्रदर से भी, जो भी फाइटिंग करनी, इफ यू आर शेयरिंग द रूम, सब कर लिया. अब जाके जब आप सोने जा रहे हो, यू हैव टू पिक अप दैट स्टोन एंड देन यू हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन द डे. ओके, जैसे आज से आपको ये प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करना है, तो व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल स्टार्ट इन द मॉर्निंग. What were the good things that happened in the day? Maybe it was a tasty breakfast that you had. Okay, maybe a friend called and you talked for hours and you were enjoying. Maybe you did a video call to your cousins, or you played with your building friends, or maybe you just played at home with your family. Lockdown है अभी, कुछ आपने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट आप अपना कर रहे हो स्कूल का, उसका कोई आपको अच्छा सा एक तो मिल गया जो भी आपको करना था. You found it, or you saw a wonderful movie, या आपको कोई गिफ्ट मिला, yeah, you were playing some game and you achieved some score that you wanted to. Whatever you felt was the best thing, you have to say thank you and then go off to sleep. ठीक है, तो क्या करना है, क्विकली आपको दिन का पूरा स्कैन करना है. कैसे कि अगर हम अभी भी पूछेंगे, महिमा यू टेल मी what all did you do in the day today?
In the morning, I had my college classes. After that, I took a break. I had breakfast right from when I woke up, or after classes, should I tell the schedule?
Anyways, it's like you have to just, you know, quickly say, and then you have to pick up like, yes, ये सबसे अच्छी चीज थी आज दिन की, that way. So if you felt that the college class was amazing, you could understand everything, or you know, whatever you were doing there, that was good, or maybe the breakfast was tasty, or something nice happened, you know, that way. You got a gift, or you got that kind of a scan you'll have to do. Okay, so you were saying that हाँ, breakfast हो गया, college हो गया, then you took a nap and it was very comfortable, no one disturbed you. You took a leisurely bath and applied some packs. I don't know आपका क्या schedule है, कैसे आप करते हो, you know, that way.
The best part of the day was spending time with my dog.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, so you know, you can just thank for that. So आपको ऐसे ही अपना पूरा दिन ऐसे ही स्कैन करना है, what you started with and what you ended it with. So उसमें जो best part था, you have to say thank you and then you have to go off to sleep. ठीक है? Yeah, please continue.
Think back carefully through all the good things that happened during the day and find the best thing that happened you're grateful for. Then say the magical words, thank you for the best thing that happened. Return the magical rock to its place by your bed, and that's it.
Yes, बस इतना सही प्रैक्टिस है. या तो कितना इजी नहीं है. सुबह आपने ब्लेसिंग्स लिखे, अभी आपको सोने के पहले ये मैजिक रॉक पकड़ना है. अच्छा, टेल मी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू स्टिल हैव अ cuddly toy before you know, go off to sleep? How many of you still hold that? Or no, you अभी नहीं, अब तो सब बड़े हो गए हैं, कोई किसी के पास नहीं है. ऐसा है क्या? छोटे में आपका कोई फेवरेट स्टफ टॉय था that you used to carry with you before going to sleep? Yes, हाँ, उसमें सबका ही होता था. I was amazed, किसी का नहीं है, कोई नहीं बोल रहा है. हाँ, yes. तो जब आप सोने जाते थे तो उसको आप क्या बोलते थे? उसको भी आप ब्लैंकेट उड़ाते थे, या आप अब पिलो पे भी उसको लगा लेते थे, राइट? उसको भी, यू नो, मेक बिलीव हम लोग खाना भी खिला देते थे, चॉकलेट भी खिला देते थे. रिमेम्बर? I did it. I was wondering, कोई नहीं बोल रहा है. ठीक है.
Ma'am, I did it also.
Okay, so who's that? I could not see.
Ma'am, I'm Manishka.
Yes, Manishka. Yeah. So I'm sure many people did it, but are not too comfortable sharing it now. But it's okay. So आपको आज ऐसे ही करना है कि, and you used to feel nice and good before going to sleep, है ना? अच्छा, इसका लॉजिक क्या है? ऐसा हम लोग को क्यों करना है? कितने बार ऐसा हुआ होगा? कितने बार नहीं, चलो एक आध बार तो हुआ ही होगा, that you are upset about something, that mom scolded you, or dad said नहीं, ये टॉय नहीं मिलेगा आपको, आपको अभी यहाँ घूमने नहीं जाना है, फ्रेंड के संग नहीं खेलना है, and you are upset or angry, and then you go off to sleep. तो सुबह उठ के भी कैसा मूड रहता है? अच्छा नहीं रहता होगा. I think those who are very young, they are not able to relate to it, but those who can understand, but नहीं, उनको भी रहता. I think the young ones are a little too innocent, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा होगा, but ऐसा होता है ना कि you are a little upset about something, किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, मे बी फ्रेंड से लड़ाई हो गई, या आप एग्जाम के बारे में worried हो, and you go off to sleep, and the next day when you get up in the morning, you are feeling a little, you know, not nice, you're feeling a little low. So that is the time when you are, you know, setting the tone of the day, and that is not nice. पूरा दिन आपको heavy heavy लगेगा, हाँ, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो उस चीज को दूर करने के लिए ही ये practice बनाई गई है, that when you are going off to sleep, you are using this magic rock, and magic rock को आप सारी अच्छी चीजें याद करके बोल रहे हो, हाँ. तो वो जब अच्छी चीजें याद करके आप सोते हो, तो सुबह उठ के you are already feeling fresh. Tell me, जब बर्थडे आता है उसके पहले की रात आप सो पाते हो? यू आर सो एक्साइटेड कि कल मेरा बर्थडे है, सब लोग मेरे को विश करेंगे, पार्टी होगी कि सरप्राइज पार्टी होगी, क्या क्या गिफ्ट मिलेंगे. हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन यू आर अबाउट टू स्लीप बिफोर योर बर्थडे?
I'm very excited.
है ना, वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड अब तो क्या होता है, दूसरे दिन ऑटोमेटिकली,
Happiest ever.
yes, so yes, that is how you are, you feel, all of us feel like that. And when we are doing this magic rock practice, we are thinking about the good things कि yes, आज जो हमने आज वो फरेरो खाई थी वो बहुत टेस्टी थी, एकदम परफेक्टली कोल्ड थी, एकदम बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आ रहा था उसका, या जो भी आपको बेस्ट चीज लगी हो, you have to think of that and then go off to sleep. ठीक है, you have to think of that and tell thank you to the magic rock, keep the magic rock and then go off to sleep. ठीक है, तो इतनी सिंपल सी प्रैक्टिस है ये, और ये करेगी क्या, जब आप ऐसे सोगे तो आप सुबह ऑटोमेटिकली थोड़े अच्छे मूड में उठोगे. फिर सुबह उठ के आपको क्या करना है, फिर से ब्लेसिंग्स लिखनी है. तो क्या हुआ, सोने के पहले आपने अच्छी चीजें सोची और सुबह उठते ही आपने अच्छी चीजें सोची. तो ये आप सपोज यू आर स्लीपिंग एट 10 o'clock and you are getting up maybe at 7 or 6:30, I don't know. तो वो इतने देर जो हम लोग अच्छे से सोते हैं, that has a very good effect on the development of our brain. I am saying development because some of you are, you know, अभी थोड़ा सा आपको बढ़ने में है time, like still you are, you know, maybe 10-12 years. And जो अपन लोग बड़े हो गए हैं, it's like those who have grown up, we are in our 18 or 19, like late teens or early 20s. उनका क्या है, हमारा ब्रेन एक दूसरे बिलीफ सिस्टम पे वर्क करने लगता है. दैट वी विल नॉट टॉक नाउ, वी विल डिस्कस दैट अ लिटिल लेटर. ओके, सो ये प्रैक्टिस इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो सबको समझ में आ गई, एकदम सिंपल प्रैक्टिस है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं लिखना है. ठीक है, खाली मैजिक रॉक लेना है और रात में आपको अपनी अच्छी चीजें सोचनी है दिन की, थैंक यू बोलना है और फिर सो जाना है. ठीक है, या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Every night for the next 26 days, follow the same magic rock practice. Before you go to sleep, think back through the day and find the best thing that happened that day. While holding your magic rock in your hand, be as grateful as you can for that thing and say thank you.
Yeah. Continue.
Using a rock seems like such a simple thing to do, but through this practice, you will see magical things begin to happen in your life.
Yeah. How will magical things happen in my life? Let's read. Yes.
When you look for the best thing that happened during the day, you will search through many good things that happened. And in the process of searching and deciding on the best one, you're actually thinking of many things you're grateful for. You will also be ensuring that you go to sleep and wake up in gratitude each day.
Yeah. So what you are doing when you're thinking of the good things in your day, yeah, you are thinking of many things. एक चीज तो नहीं होगी, एक चीज होगी जो सबसे अच्छी लग रही होगी, लेकिन उसको ढूंढने के लिए भी आपको अपना पूरा दिन स्कैन करना है. ठीक है, कि जैसे हाउ यू स्टार्टेड महिमा, कि कॉलेज गए, ब्रेकफास्ट किया, फिर यू प्लेड विद योर डॉग एंड देन और भी कुछ चीजें की होंगी, हाँ, टीवी देखा होगा, कोई सीरियल देखा होगा, यू नो, एंड देन यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग, you are being thankful for that and then you go off to sleep. तो आप सोने के पहले जब इतना gratitude feel कर रहे हो, तो it will ensure that we wake up in gratitude each day. Yes, so that is what will make magical things happen in your life. Yeah.
The count your blessings and magic rock practices will ensure that you begin and end your days in a state of gratitude. In fact, they are so powerful that together they would change your life in a few months. But this book is designed to change your life really fast through an abundance of magical practices. Because gratitude is magnetic and attracts more things to be grateful for. The concentration of gratitude over 28 days will intensify the magnetic force of your gratitude. When you have a strong magnetic force of gratitude, like magic, you automatically magnetize everything you want and need to you.
Yeah. So now what Rhonda Byrne is telling us in this paragraph is that if we are sleeping in gratitude, How are we sleeping in gratitude? We are thinking about the best things, we are being grateful for those things, and then we are going off to sleep. And then the next day when we get up, we are writing our blessings. And when we are writing our blessings, what are we doing? We are looking for the things that we are grateful for, and we are being thankful to them. Yeah, thankful for them. And this is like a continuous state of gratitude. And when we are doing it for days, and then when we'll continue doing it for months, because it will be our habit, and you will feel so nice that you would want to do it for months. These two combination of the combination of these two practices is really powerful. And this book is designed to change your life really fast. And these are not just the two practices, there are many more practices. Each day has a new practice. So when we are doing these practices over 28 days, our magnetic force is becoming stronger. आप बोलोगे हम लोग मैग्नीटो नहीं बन जाएंगे. ओके, यू हैव सीन एक्समैन? हाँ, सम ऑफ यू? वो नहीं देखी. नो वन हैज सीन एक्समैन?
Must have been seen.
Yes, I have.
Mama, I have seen.
So
No, I
it
have
will not
seen.
become magneto. It is not that kind of a magnetic force. This magnetic force works on the things that we want. Okay, magneto को वो iron की चीजें
Ma'am, magneto is fiction.
Yes, that is why we are not going to attract iron. Okay, that is why I said that when we are becoming that magnet, okay, we are attracting what we want. Okay, and ठीक है, we'll discuss that. ये fiction and non-fiction, Viraj, I'll get back with that, huh? Because हमको भी समझना होगा कि कुछ तो होगा ही definitely ऐसा. तो what this book is telling us, the law of attraction works when we are in the state of gratitude. When we are thinking positive things, we will attract positive things. And how are we going to think positive things? By being grateful. When we are being grateful, we are focusing our mind on the good things, है ना. आज जब सुबह आपने blessings लिखी होंगी, अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में, अपने फैमिली के बारे में लिखा होगा, तो उनकी अच्छी चीजें याद करके लिखा होगा. वो आपको डांट भी पड़ी होगी, आपकी फाइटिंग भी हुई होगी, हाँ, बट फिर भी when you are writing about them, you thought of the good things, and that is why you wrote. Yeah, so same way, if we are thinking of all the good things, then our attraction, our magnetic force is becoming stronger. एंड जब वो स्ट्रांग होता है, तो जो आपने ड्रीम लिस्ट आप बना रहे हो ना, वो और जल्दी हमारे लाइफ में आने लगेगा. ठीक है, सो इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली मैग्नेटाइज एवरीथिंग यू वांट एंड नीड टू यू. ठीक है, सो द प्रैक्टिस इज क्लियर. या सो यस महिमा, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Magic reminder. Be sure to read tomorrow's magical practice sometime today, as you will need to collect some photographs before you begin.
Yes, so we will read that also. Oh, sorry.
Magic practice number 2, the magic rock. First, repeat steps 1 to 3 of magical practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, find the magic rock and put it by your bedside. Third, before going to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that happened today. Fourth, say the magical words, thank you, for the best thing that happened today. Fifth, repeat the magic rock practice every night for next 26 days. Sixth, read tomorrow's magical practice today.
Yeah, so it is very simple. Before going off to sleep, you have to hold the magic rock in your hand, like just before closing your eyes. Take the magic rock in your hand, then think about the day, and be grateful for the best thing and say thank you. ठीक है, ये हो गया आज रात का practice, and this we'll have to continue for the next 26 days. ठीक है, मिनिमम 26 days रोज ये करना ही हम लोग को रात में. हाँ, एंड सुबह उठ के फिर से वो 10 blessings लिखनी है सेम वे. हाँ, एंड राइट नाउ वी आर सपोज टू रीड टुमारोज मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस. जैसे आज हमने ये रॉक ढूंढा था क्योंकि हमको आज रात से इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी थी, वैसे ही कल के लिए हमको कुछ और चीज ढूंढनी है. सो लेट्स रीड. वो कौन सी चीज है?
After 26 days, it will become a habit on its own.
Yes, it will become a habit on its own. Yeah. तो कल के लिए हमको क्या करना है? Yeah, we have to find. Mahima, please read the second one. Choose.
Yes, ma'am. Choose 3 of your closest relationships and collect a photograph of each person.
Yeah. Third also. Acha, no, sorry, just 2. Sorry. Yeah. So thank you, Mahima, for reading so nicely for all of us. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity.
Yes, most welcome. So हर दिन आप लोग बोल देना जिसको रीडिंग करना है. ठीक है, ये हो गया. अच्छा, कल क्या करना है हम लोग को? 3 फोटोग्राफ्स ढूंढनी है हमको, ठीक है? किसकी फोटोग्राफ्स ढूंढनी है? Rhonda Byrne is telling us 3 photographs of the people who are closest to us, 3 relationships who are closest to us. You can take, अगर आपके फैमिली में 4-5 जन है, फिर भी आप 3 ही लोगे. It can be your mom, dad, your sibling. It can be your mom, dad, your friend, or whoever. ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि mom, dad
I have 14 people in my family. I love all of them equally.
So we will, but tomorrow you have to choose who are the most important. Okay, so tomorrow we have to just think, take 3 photographs. हाँ, आपको प्रिंट आउट लेना जरूरी नहीं है. प्रिंट आउट है तो भी बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो फोन पे होने से भी चलेगा, बट वो फोटोग्राफ अकेले जन की होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? इट कैन नॉट बी अ 14 पीपल का ग्रुप फोटो. नो, इट कैन नॉट बी कि 3-4 जन थी, वो तीनों जन की एक फोटो. नो, इट हैज टू बी सिंगल पर्सन and 3 photographs. Okay, it is like, suppose if I am choosing my mom, it will be my mom, my brother, and my niece. Yeah, it can be my mom, my dad. My dad is not there, that is why I did not count him in this. So it can be any 3 people. Okay, but the photograph should be either yours alone, that person's alone, or you can also be with that person. हो सकता है आपकी मॉम की फोटो के संग आपको वो वाली मॉम की फोटो ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है.
Is it necessary to be 3?
Yes, it is necessary. There is a reason. There is a reason that, you know, that this book has been made in a scientific manner. So if you want to go into details, I can tell you 3 jo number.
Auntie,
Yes. Yes.
so it means that can we means the 3 people that we have chosen, so those 3 people are there and including myself, can we take?
Yeah, not those 3 people. It cannot be a group photo. Okay, it can be like you are there, Naman, and your father. Suppose you want to take your father in one of the like relationships. That is okay, but it should not be that all 3 are there and you are also there. No, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. We have to have 3 photographs. 3 photographs is a must. उस 3 में एक person हो और उसके संग आप हो, वो चलेगा, ठीक है? But उन लोग के संग और कोई नहीं होना चाहिए. And I would suggest they should not be wearing sunglasses. ठीक है? They should be looking at the photograph. हाँ, sunglasses वाला photo नहीं चाहिए. The book is not saying that, but I feel when you're looking at the photo, it should be that you're looking at that person's eyes, at the person's in their eyes. ठीक है? तो ऐसे करना है हम लोग को. 3 फोटोग्राफ लेने हैं and 3 ही लेने हैं. Okay, is that clear? Yeah. And regarding the practice of this magic rock, when you are thinking of the day, it should be like, हाँ breakfast अच्छा था, हाँ breakfast ठीक था, ठीक है, उसके बाद आपने क्या किया वो भी ठीक था, but आपको पूरा दिन का जो भी आप 12 आवर्स जगे हुए थे उसका नहीं सोचना है कि वो एक एक चीज के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. उसमें से जो बेस्ट चीजें लगी पहले आप उनके बारे में सोचोगे, then you will think of the best thing. Suppose I ask you, Naman, you only tell me how was your day, what did you do today?
Today I means first I wrote 10 blessings. Then I play some games, and then I study a bit, and then I had my online classes which I did, and then I am doing a session, and then I will eat and go to the bed.
Okay, so इसमें से like which was your most favorite? अच्छा, I want some cameras on, please. Yeah.
The most favorite thing I would love that your session.
Oh, thank you. Very nice. So you can think of that and be grateful. No problems. You can write, you can say that. But माने basically आपको choose करना है कि आपका दिन का सबसे favorite time कौन सा था, ठीक है? And उसके बारे में thank you बोलना है, ठीक है? Okay, maybe you know you won a game. आप फ्रेंड के संग खेल रहे हो, ऑनलाइन कुछ आपने अच्छा स्कोर किया है, आपने ऑनलाइन सेशन आपका कोई चल रहा हो, उसमें यू नो योर टीचर सेड लाइक वंडरफुल जॉब. आई डोंट नो आपको कैसे ग्रेडिंग होता है, आपने कुछ फटाक से आंसर कर दिया. फॉर दैट, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, व्हिचएवर यू फील इज लाइक द फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ योर डे, उसके लिए आपको थैंक यू बोलना है, ठीक है? द प्रैक्टिस इज क्लियर नाउ? या ओके, so wonderful. Any queries?
Like the best part of my day today was playing guitar for half an hour.
Wonderful. And then it should not be for half an hour. Like the best part was like playing guitar. It should be like that. आपको जो बोलना है आप ऐसे ही सोच के कि हाँ सबसे मेरा अच्छा टाइम ये था. ओके, उसके बारे में याद करके you have to say thank you. Done? Okay. So any other question, clarification regarding the practice or how to write your blessings? No?
It is not necessary to take out the print of the that 3 person in our life.
नो नो नो, एकदम भी नहीं, कोई जरूरी नहीं, आप फोन में ही देख के कर सकते हो, ठीक है? तो हम लोग के पास फोन में वो 3 फोटोग्राफ्स हम लोग को सेपरेट करके रख लेनी है, ठीक है? वाओ महिमा, दैट इज योर पेट, सो क्यूट. व्हाट्स इट्स नेम?
Its name is Sunny.
Sunny. Okay, cool. So cute. Yeah, very nice.
The entire session.
You were listening to the entire session. Of course, you were speaking, so you will listen to the entire session. Very nice. Very nice. Cool. Yeah, very cute. Okay, and I think Priya is your sister, yeah? Priya Sangvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
cool. You also have a pup. Oh, you have a separate pup or you have the same one?
Ma'am, I have another dog.
Okay, cool. Very good. Wonderful. Yeah, excellent. So any other questions? I think the chapter was very simple today. You just have to hold your rock and think about the good things of the day. Huh?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, is it possible to have a word with you personally if it's okay?
So we can speak tomorrow. Is that okay? Yeah, okay, because I have something else after this, so I'll be free tomorrow. We can connect. Just drop in a message and we'll do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. So anything else? Any other question, clarification? No? Okay, wonderful. So let's join our hands and do the gratitude. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to the great Almighty, the Supreme Power, who has blessed us with abundance of love, happiness, and good health. Thank you, God, for giving me the best family. My favorite people in the world are happy, healthy, and fit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so thank you, everyone. Good night. And remember to hold your magic rock. Yeah, so when you are telling the things or scanning the day, you have to hold the magic rock in your hand. Then only it will become magical. Okay, then only it will make you a stronger force for your dreams. Okay, so you have to hold the magic rock like this, scan the day, and then say thank you. Then you put it back and go off to sleep. Okay. Yeah.
To scan the day.
Sorry, Atharv, I could not hear you.
How we can scan the day?
Scan the day का मतलब हुआ कि आप सुबह उठे, what you did. You have to just think which is the best part of the day. There could be maybe 2-3 things. Like if I think of today, I would say it was raining, but the weather was so nice. It was awesome. It was raining in Calcutta today. So it was so nice, awesome. The weather was just perfect. Then we had, some tasty food, that way. You just have to, quickly see what you did in the day.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow. And do the so do the blessings as soon as you get up. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Good
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank